Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled pork quesadillas and I'll be using my Cuisinart Griddler. Do you remember this delicious looking pork roast that made these yummy Cuban sandwiches? Well, I had some pork left over and I didn't want to let it go to waste. So I popped it in the microwave and I made these delicious quesadillas. First, I preheated my grill and then I laid down a flour tortilla. I added some shredded cheese. Don't go too close to the edge because you don't want it to leak out. And then I topped the cheese with some pork and then I topped the pork with more cheese. Place another flour tortilla on top, spray with some cooking spray, and close your grill. You see that gooey cheese trying to escape? Well, we're just going to push that right back on in there and we're going to transfer this quesadilla to a cutting board. It's time to serve it up. Using a pizza cutter, I cut my quesadilla into 6 pieces and then I plated it up. You can serve your quesadilla with anything that you like. Avocado, tomato, whatever. I had some green hot sauce, some salsa, and some sour cream. Yummy in my tummy. So, are you going to give this recipe a try? Did you like this video? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps other people find my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed, come on, help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Tap that button and click that bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!